Hey guys, my name's John. I'm a salesman over at Byrider in Green Bay, and I want to take a moment and tell you guys a little about one of my favorite cars on our lot right now. This is our Volkswagen Jetta. It is a 2012 front-wheel drive 4-door sedan, 5-cylinder engine. I didn't know they made 5 cylinders before I got in this car. Fun fact. So pretty unique, pretty cool. Just a good-looking vehicle overall. And I didn't think I would ever say this, but one of my favorites on our lot and one of the funnest cars we have to drive. This car is one of the zippiest little, funnest little cars I've ever seen. It's got a leather interior, plenty of leg room in the back, a good sized trunk. It's just a really nice car overall in general. The inside is somewhere you want to spend time in this car. A road trip in this car, I would have no issue with that whatsoever. You got the entertainment center here. It's a touch screen, so you can flip through multiple stations on the radio just by touching the screen. Or, of course, you can always tune the old-fashioned way. Even has a little gauge for you there. I'm a big country fan. It's just one of the nicest cars I've seen in quite a while. Something else I really like about it is it has sport mode, which you don't see all the time. Along with that, it's a slap shift transmission. So if you're going up and down a lot of hills or something like that, you can kind of control what the transmission does. It's just a really fun car, just a really nice looking vehicle, and I honestly did not expect to love this car as much as I do. So if you're interested, come on down to Byrider of Green Bay. Our location is 2805 Ramada Way, kind of on this own little road by a bunch of hotels. Or you can always call us, 920-455-7788. We'd love to see if we can get you in a car and help you out and build your credit. So let us know what you're thinking and have a really great day. Bye-bye.